Today we are going to review ordering fractions, and not only just fractions, but mixed numbers as well. Remember, when we order fractions, we can do them from least to greatest or greatest to least, and we do that by finding a common denominator. So I have all fractions here, and they all have a mixed number. So I'm going to highlight the mixed number so I don't forget about it. But when I'm putting fractions in order from least to greatest, I still need to find common denominators, so I'm going to do that first. 4, 8, 12, 6, 12, and 12. Because looking at it, I could tell right away that 12 would be a common denominator. Okay, so now 2 twelfths to 12ths is going to be the same. 3 fourths is going to be 9 twelfths, because remember it's times 3. And 5 sixths is going to be times 2. So now let's look at our fractions. 10 twelfths, 9 twelfths, 2 twelfths. Since they all have a 1, we can add that 1 back in. So it's 1 and 10 twelfths. Oops, not 10 twelfths. 1 and 9 twelfths. And 1 and 2 twelfths. So if I'm putting these in order from greatest to least, it would be 1 and 10 twelfths. 1 and 9 twelfths. And 1 and 2 twelfths. So by putting those in order, then I can go back and match up my original fraction, which was 1 and 5 sixths, 1 and 3 fourths, and 1 and 2 twelfths. Okay. Now I'm going to look at when I have a mixture of mixed numbers and I have a mixture of just regular fractions. So I might have 4 ninths, 1 and 2 thirds, and 1 and 1 fourth, and maybe just regular 5 sixths. So again, I'm going to take my highlighter tool and I'm going to highlight the mixed number so I don't forget about it, the whole number here, but I'm just going to work with the fractions. Okay, I'm just going to go to 5. Okay, now I can see that I've got a common denominator of 36. Okay, so we need to make 4 ninths equivalent to 36. And we do that by finding equivalent fractions. Okay, so 2 thirds equals 36. And if I don't remember what that is, I just count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 24. And then 1 fourth equals 36. That's times 9. And 5 sixths equals 36. Is times 6. And that's 30. So now let's take all of our fractions back. So I've got 16/36. Two-thirds had a 1 with it, so it's not just 24/36, it's 1 and 24/36. 1 and 1/4 would be 1 and 9/36. And then we have 30/36. So from least to greatest, I know my whole numbers are going to be larger than just a fraction, so my smallest one is 16/36, which is actually equivalent to 4/9. My next smallest would be 30/36, which is equivalent to 5/6. Then my next one is 1 and 9/36, because 9 is less than 24. So that is 1 and 1/4. Should have written 1 and 9/36 here. And the last one is 1 and 24/36, which actually equals 1 and 2/3. So those are some of the ways that we can incorporate mixed numbers into our ordering of fractions.